Hello everyone, we are here today at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge Jambo House to do a full room tour of a deluxe studio with Kilimanjaro club level access. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and has plenty of space for everyone to spread out.
Now this is the only DVC resort on Disney property that offers club level access for any of their rooms. So you have access to the concierge and you also have access to all the great snacks and drinks that club level offers. But there are only 10 rooms available, 5 studios and 5 one-bedroom villas. So they're very difficult to get unless you're an owner at Animal Kingdom Lodge.
Let's go check it out.
When we first come into the room here, over on the left, we do have a connecting door to the 1-bedroom next to us. So if it's available, you can book the 2-bedroom lock-off up here, club level. Over on the right, we have a full-length mirror, has some nice carvings around it. And then over on the left, we have our kitchenette. Because this is a studio, we do get the full kitchenette here. We've got the full-size coffee maker, of course the Joffrey's coffee there to go with it. We do have a sink. We have some cabinets down below where our trash cans are. The mini fridge here, which also has a small freezer section up at the top. And then we have a microwave and toaster up here on the shelf. We have our ice bucket over in the corner. And then in this cabinet up top, we have some plasticware, plates, and bowls. And then right above the sink, you may have noticed a minute ago, we do have baby Simba in the paintings on the tile. That is a nice little Disney touch here in the room. And then over behind me, we have the bathroom area. There is no door or anything on the first part of the bathroom, just this doorway right here. We've got a double vanity over here in the bathroom with lots and lots of counter space. There's a little shelf right above the counter as well for additional storage. Of course, we have the makeup mirror over on the wall, and then we have the main mirror here on this wall. And then over on the right, we have the rest of the bathroom. Of course, there is a door separating this part off. We have another full-length mirror on the door. Our toilet is in here in addition to our tub. And our tub does just have the one single shower head in here. We've got the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash on the wall as well. Now, as we head into the bedroom area, over on our left, we have some storage. The first one is a bench that has a big drawer down beneath it, a lot of storage space there. We also have this wardrobe in place of a closet. So you've got a closet rod in there for hanging your clothes. You've got your safe up top. You have an iron and ironing board. Your hair dryer is also in there. And you have some additional pillows and a blanket for that pull-out couch bed. And then over right beside the wardrobe, we have our dresser. There's a couple drawers here on the dresser, and we also have a cabinet down below where you can store some things that is just one big open cabinet. Lots of cool little carvings here on it, but no Disney characters, no more Lion King or Hidden Mickeys or anything like that. Above the drawers, we do have some USB outlets and wall outlets built in there. And then we have our TV up on the wall, really good size TV here. And then the rest of the room, we have our queen size bed, which is the main bed here in the room. We've got the really cool looking headboard up at the top and the tapestry hanging behind that. Of course, we have the lights on each side of the bed as well. There's a map over here on the wall of Africa, really cool looking older map, just fitting the Animal Kingdom Lodge decor, of course. On the other side of the bed, we have our nightstand, which once again has those USB outlets and wall outlets built in. We've got our phone and a small drawer for storage. There's also an additional switch on the wall there by the bed that does control the ceiling fan that is in this room. Not many rooms have ceiling fans, but this particular one does. Our coffee table is actually 2 small tables, which is really convenient for moving it around the room here. This couch does pull out into a queen size bed, and it's one of the more comfortable pull-out couches that we've experienced. It is a newer Ethan Allen couch, which is really nice. And then we have a small table over here with a lamp on it. There are no outlets built into this table, but there is one back behind it. And this lamp is the one that I like to call the Kermit the Frog lamp, because it looks kind of like, well, they made it out of Kermit the Frog, so don't want to think about that one too long. Over on the other side of the room, we have our table and chairs. Just 2 chairs there and the small table, and then we do have a mirror up above that where there are some crocodiles holding up the lamps there, and those are on their own little switch hanging down behind the mirror. And then we have our balcony here. Now this particular room does not have a view, so you could wind up on either side of the building. One side which kind of has a savanna view, the other side, this particular one, that has kind of a pool view. You can see the savanna off in the distance. We saw some flamingos over there. You can kind of see the white and pink birds right over there in the distance. And sometimes you'll see some cattle walking around and stuff, but not much of a savanna view here. On the other side, you have a little bit more of the savanna, but either way, you don't have much of a savanna view because these rooms don't have a particular category you can book. They are just Kilimanjaro Club access DVC rooms. Here on the balcony, we actually have a really good sized balcony. There's a couple chairs, this one over here with a zebra on the back, and then over on the other side, we have a small little table with another zebra chair there. So lots of space out here on the balcony for you to sit and relax. And then back in the room, Alyssa has pulled out that sleeper sofa for us so we can see the queen size bed. Even with that pulled out, I feel like there's a decent amount of space here in this room. You can see at the end of the bed, between the table and the bed. You do have to find somewhere to put those little end tables, but because they're separate, you can kind of move them around the room, which is really, really nice. And that's going to conclude our tour of this deluxe studio with Kilimanjaro Club access here at Animal Kingdom Lodge Jambo House.
We hope you enjoyed that tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and comment with any questions you have. We're happy to answer those. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you know when we have even more videos out.
And you can find tons of other videos on our channel with room tours around the Walt Disney World Resort and other Disney resorts around the world, and on Disney Cruise Line as well. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time,
we're here with the ears.